Today unboxing is on the Tomica Fuji Speedway Toyota 86. This time in safety car theme. The outer box looks premium with the Toyota 86 against the black background. You can see the casting on the front as well as the flap. It also includes the official Fuji Speedway logo on the box. Although Tomica has released a number of Toyota 86 casting, but because this time round is a safety car, it stands out against all the variation. Main body color is in silver, and we can see the Fuji Speedway logo on the hood as well as on the front. The siren comes in clear instead of colored, and the spoiler comes in another unit in plastic, which is great. It comes with standard factory suspension and also opening doors. Front headlights is printed in silver instead of plastic inserts, and you can clearly see the difference between the headlights and the body color. At the scale of 1:60, it's a tad bigger than your usual 1:64. I think Tomica did a good job by releasing this safety car. It looks really unique. And after this video, I'll be going to Japan with my family for 2 weeks. And I promise you there'll be more unboxing video when I return, hopefully with some additional coverage from Japan. Meanwhile, you can follow my Japan posts in Instagram, and I'll see you again very soon. Remember to like, share and subscribe to this channel. Thanks everyone. Bye.